Gracie, I am hungry.
Me too, Tom. I am very hungry.
I will look in the refrigerator. Maybe there is food.
Okay, what do you see?
I see... nothing. The refrigerator is empty.
It is empty? Oh no, there is no food.
I will look in the cupboard. Let's see.
Is there anything in the cupboard?
No. The cupboard is empty too.
No food in the refrigerator. No food in the cupboard. We have a problem.
Yes, we need to go to the supermarket.
The supermarket. That is a good idea. We need to buy food.
Let's make a list first. A shopping list.
A list is a very good idea. I have a pen and a paper.
Perfect. Okay. What do we need?
Well, we need milk. I like milk in the morning.
Okay. I will write milk on the list. M-I-L-K. Milk.
Good. We also need bread. I want to make a sandwich.
Bread is a great idea. I like sandwiches. I will write bread.
What about eggs? Do we need eggs?
Oh, yes, I love eggs for breakfast. Let's get eggs.
Okay, eggs is on the list now.
So we have milk, bread, and eggs. What else?
I want some fruit. Fruit is healthy.
Me too. I want apples. I like red apples.
I like red apples too. They are sweet. Let's get 5 red apples.
Okay, 5 red apples. Now it's on the list.
I also want some bananas. Yellow bananas.
Bananas are good. I like them. I will write yellow bananas.
Our list is good. Milk, bread, eggs, apples, bananas.
Wait, we need cheese for our sandwiches.
Oh, you are right. We need cheese. I love cheese.
Me too. I will write cheese on the list. It is a very important word.
Okay. I think the list is finished now.
It is a good list. We have everything we need.
Yes. Are you ready to go to the supermarket?
I am ready. Let's go buy our food.
Great. Let's go, Tom.